Students, we're going to start with the vocabulary builder for chapter 7, which will be multiplying fractions. So we're going to first visualize it, and we are going to match the review words with their examples. So we're going to start with the review words on the side: denominator, equivalent fraction, mixed number, numerator, product, simplest form. So it says match the review words with their examples. So what is it? That's where the review words are going to be placed. And what are some examples? So we first have 5/10. We see that the 5 is highlighted. We go down our list and we know that the 5 is the numerator part of the fraction. So we write it down on our line. Next, we see 5/10 again, but we see the blue part is highlighted. We know that is the denominator, so we write that on our line. Next, we have a set of mixed numbers: 4 and 1/5, 4 and 3/8, 6 and 3/6. These are all examples of mixed numbers, so we're going to write down mixed number on the line. And next, we're going to go on to the last, where we see 2/3, 4/6, and 10/15, and all of those are equivalent fractions. So we're going to write down equivalent fractions. Now, boys and girls, we're going to move on to the next part, which is our understand the vocabulary. So we have the review words. Again, I put them here so we have them, we can reference them. We say complete the sentences by using the review words. A blank is a number that is made up of a whole number and a fraction, and we know that is a mixed number, so we write that down. Number 2, a fraction is in blank when the numerator and denominator only have 1 as a common factor. That would be simplest form. Number 3, the numerator below the bar in the fraction that tells how many equal parts are in the whole or the group is the denominator. Number 4, the blank is the answer to a multiplication problem. That would be a product. Number 5, fractions that name the same amount or part are called equivalent fractions. And number 6, the blank is the number above the bar in the fraction that tells how many equal parts are in the whole being considered. That is the numerator. So boys and girls, I can think it would be a good idea to make flashcards. Remember, on one side of your flashcard you can have the term numerator, and then on the back side you can write down the definition as though we see it in number 6. But you want to make sure that you have a good grasp on these vocabulary terms, because it will make it that much easier for you to be successful in chapter 7 as we continue our work with operations and fractions.